Hello, I am your host, Vanessa Vaughn Matthews, and I would like to welcome you to DRJ. This is the best of disaster recovery and business continuity, all wrapped up into one amazing conference.
You can attend all the training classes in the world and still not get the breadth of information that you would get attending this conference.
From increasing workplace safety, reducing downtime, securing data, you will gain new skills, learn about the latest technology, interact and participate in lively discussions, and talk to industry experts.
You're getting together with kind of the cream of the crop of the industry.
These are people you can reach out to after the conference is over and ask them the tough question. Have you had this problem at work? How did you solve this in your workplace? And then how can I apply that in mine?
And I'm finding that I'm quick to text it back to my coworkers and say, oh my goodness, you have to look into this.
The return on investment for yourself and your business after attending our conference will be invaluable. You will build connections, learn strategies, and get new insights into best practices to build your plan.
Jump over the fence, come to the conference, gain more experience that you now go back to your company and have more oomph and more passion.
The DRJ conference will make all the difference in your business.